Here at Iron Mountain Collision, our number one goal is to bring your car back to pre-loss condition, and that also means we're going to bring it back to the manufacturer standards. A lot of times these insurance companies will try to direct you to take it to one of their preferred shops. Well, there's a reason for that. They work for them. We work for you. We don't work for the insurance companies, and that's why we make sure your car is done right and we bring it back to pre-loss condition. So when they try to tell you if you go to some other shop and there's going to be out-of-pocket expenses and they just bully you around to take it to one of their preferred shops, there's a reason. They have a contract with these shops and they do that to save them money. At the end of the day, they're not looking out for your best interest to make sure your car's back to pre-loss condition. They're looking out for their bottom line. So bring your car here to Iron Mountain and we'll take a look at it and we'll make sure it's fixed properly and back to pre-loss condition. So there you go.